A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant move that has sparked a wave of discussions across the nation, Dr. Mehmet Oz, the administrator for the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, CMS, announced that the Trump administration plans to invest over $200 billion in a Medicaid following the passage of the much-debated One Big Beautiful Bill. Speaking on CBS Face the Nation, Oz emphasized the importance of Medicaid in supporting vulnerable populations, including children, seniors, and individuals with disabilities. He stated, "I'm trying to save this beautiful program, this noble effort, to help folks, giving them a hand up." Oz's comments highlight the administration's commitment to ensuring that Medicaid fulfills its fundamental obligation to serve those in need. He further elaborated on the government's desire for an appropriate return on the Medicaid investment while addressing the disparity in drug costs between the United States and Europe. The administration is actively working to lower drug prices, which has been a pressing issue for many Americans. In addition to the Medicaid investment, the Trump administration recently unveiled a new program designed to facilitate the sharing of personal health data and medical records across various health systems and applications managed by private tech companies. This initiative aims to streamline access to health records, making it easier for individuals to monitor their wellness. CMS will oversee this system, ensuring that patients can opt in for sharing their medical records and that their data remains secure. Oz expressed optimism about the advancements this program will bring, stating, "We're going to have remarkable advances in how consumers can use their own records." The CMS already manages a vast database containing information on over 140 million Americans enrolled in Medicare and Medicaid. However, earlier this month, the agency faced criticism after agreeing to provide its extensive database, including home addresses, to deportation officials. This decision raised concerns among advocates for privacy and the rights of immigrants. In a related development, protests erupted near the U.S. Capitol as workers from the Service Employees International Union, SEIU, rallied against proposed Republican Medicaid cuts. Demonstrators fear that the Senate's version of the One Big Beautiful Bill Act could lead to historic reductions in Medicaid funding, impacting the 71 million Americans who rely on this public health insurance program. As the Trump administration moves forward with its ambitious plans for Medicaid and health data sharing, the implications of these initiatives will likely resonate throughout the political landscape and the healthcare system. Stakeholders from various sectors are watching closely to see how these changes will affect access to care and the overall health of the American population. The ongoing dialogue around Medicaid funding and healthcare access will undoubtedly shape the political discourse leading into the upcoming election cycle. As always, we will continue to provide updates on this developing story and its impact on the American public. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.